you guys, what's up? Esiwakago here again, and I take this opportunity to welcome y'all. And today I want you to take me for a drive. I'm heading to the court. That is the Municipal Court of Allard Park in Kansas. And I was summoned because of the accident that I had. If you can remember, January the 2nd, I had an accident. And I know you might be wondering, how would you have an accident and then they summon you to court? Yes, they did. Yes, they do. A traffic rule here is a traffic rule, regardless of what happened. Yes, it was an accident and it was a snowy day. In fact, I did slide on an icy road or icy spot. But having said that, it doesn't give me credit, any credit. Of course, there is no credit of being in an accident, but it doesn't exempt me from facing the law. And so today I'm supposed to be appearing before the judge. There are other ways of doing it, but I just decided to do it this way. If they don't hear me, because the fact is, I am the one who called the traffic police. They did not just get me driving and then I had the accident. They were not watching. So whatever happened, it's me who knows what transpired to the accident. But here's the thing, in a normal way, we just go look for a lawyer and then the lawyer will go and argue with them. And because a moving violation, it has points on your what do we call it, on your license, that is your driver's license. They kind of alternate that ticket and they make it a non-moving violation. That helps you because you will not have to have any points on your license. But again, you have to pay certain amount of whatever they transfigured the ticket to, or they changed it to whatever violation you had, but it has to be non-moving so that you do not have to have the points on your record, on your driving record. So now I have found myself before with some violation tickets. Of course, I have never been in an accident before, but it doesn't mean that I have never violated at all. Sometimes you would be found driving at a high speed in a school zone or somewhere. You exceed the speed of that, the speed limit of that area. So I just decided to take this route this time. I will go and defend myself because as much as I know they can argue with me, I also have a way I can defend myself, and I just want to see if this is something I can do next time. You know what? Me, I'm that type of a person who just takes things very easy. If I get to, if I defend myself and they accept, I will be like, if I win, I lead. If I lose, then I will have a lesson. Next time I won't try this at home. But you know what? I gotta do this. I gotta go there because I'm 100% sure I wasn't violating any traffic rules, and I've been driving on the snow for quite a long time, and I have never been into any accident. That was the first accident that I have ever found myself in, and I believe there is a way I can negotiate with them and they will waive the ticket. I think they gave me a ticket of, was it 100 and something? I can't remember, but I know they gave me a ticket because when I asked the traffic police, I asked him, how would you come to an accident scene? I'm the one who called 911 when I made the accident, or I mean when I did the accident, I had the accident, and you come here and then you just decide you will have to ticket me. Why? Because you think I wasn't driving at the right speed according to the road conditions. And as much as I would want to honor him, respect him, the other thing is I also wouldn't want to be in an accident. And since I've been driving on those icy roads and on the snow for quite some time, like 7 years plus, there is no way you could just come up with an assumption that today was the day I didn't know how I should be driving on the icy roads. I'm not saying the officer was kind of like discriminative or anything, but all I'm trying to say, he was doing his work and he has to do his work. And I know I'm not supposed to teach him how to do his work, because when I questioned him, he told me, you know what, I know what you're saying and I do totally understand, but this is something that we do on everyone. Like in every accident, I have to go there, I evaluate the situation, and then I have to call you, I have to ticket you, because for an accident to happen, it takes the driver, either one driver or many drivers who caused it. So in my case, my accident wasn't caused by a driver, another driver. It is something that was caused by the condition of the roads, and that is very uncontrollable. I have been driving on icy roads, yeah, but there is that day that comes that you cannot control things. Yes, you've been there, and there is no perfect driver in this world. No perfect driver, no perfect pilot. We are all on the roads, but God does take the wheel. So, like I was saying, I'm heading there, and I know I'm now almost to get there, and I will see what they say, what they have to say. Yeah, and for the rest of the trip, let me just turn my camera so that you can see. Hi guys, I'm now coming from the court, and the surprising thing is that I didn't even go through the trial, because they did change my charges from overspeeding to being unable to control my vehicle under road conditions. And according to the judge, when you get into an accident on bad road conditions, they just assume, like he said, I'm quoting him, they assume you were driving at a speed you couldn't control your vehicle. So I was prepared to defend myself against overspeeding, because I wasn't overspeeding, and I know I wasn't. And if at all they were to charge me with overspeeding, I knew what I wanted to say, and also I would ask for evidence that I was overspeeding. So when they told me that it is not overspeeding, even though the ticket reads overspeeding, I was a little bit not sure how to argue about the being unable to control my vehicle under bad weather conditions. So I requested more time so that I can go and find out what I should do, whether I should go look for a lawyer at this time, or I should just go ahead and defend myself. And today is March the 7th, and they extended my trial to May something, I can't remember, but yeah, I do have time. So I will get to decide if I will have to find a lawyer to represent me, or I should just go ahead and face them. So yeah, and talking of this, I'm not trying to make things hard for me. No, that is not what I'm trying to do. But I was just trying to find out. I was just trying to find out something about how it goes. I have never represented myself, and I just wanted to weigh between a lawyer and representing yourself, which is which, and why the lawyer or why me. So that was the case. So now I'm going back to work like nothing happened. And guys, have a nice time wherever you are, and I will see you when you see me. And keep on keeping on, because that is our motto here at Esiwakago YouTube channel. And may God bless you, because with him we can do all things through Christ the Son, who strengthens us. Okay, bye bye guys.